BabyBus.
Let's start our training. Don't even think about scoring. Hey! Such a shame. If only my arms were just a little longer. Huh? Emergency! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Gibbon, a kind of primate, is well known for his long arms.
Wow, his fingers can touch the ground.
He's good at climbing and jumping, which makes him the perfect worker in high places. He's a repairman at the amusement park. Today, he got hurt while doing a final safety check at the amusement park before its grand opening. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go! Mr. Gibbon! Where are you, Mr. Gibbon?
I'm here! My arm hurts so much!
Don't worry, we'll give you a checkup right now. Start analyzing. Here's the result. Mr. Gibbon has some scratches on his arm, and his muscle is strained too. Got it. I'll treat him right now. Huh? There are a lot of scratches. Leave it to me. Super recovery machine. Recovery complete!
I feel much better now. Thanks.
You're welcome.
I need to check the Ferris wheel.
Oh?
I'll have a yummy banana to start my work.
Wow!
Hold on!
That's amazing, Mr. Gibbon. It's like you are flying through the air.
This is strange. Why am I hearing children's laughter? The amusement park isn't even open yet.
Let's go and find out.
Huh?
Wow, it's a pirate ship.
Be quiet. Nobody knows we're here. We can't be found. What's this? Oh. Huh? Let's ride it!
Oh no! The pirate ship isn't fully installed yet! Watch out! Stop right now!
Oh no, the ship fell into the water!
Help us! Somebody help
Check them out for me and find a good spot to get them out!
Copy that!
I found 2 spots ahead of us that will work!
Kiki, I'm coming to help you! Get ready!
Whoa, okay!
Kiki, right here! Got you!
Great! Don't worry, you're safe now.
Kiki!
Huh? Watch out! Oh no, it's a waterfall! Hold on tight! Super speed! Kiki! Oh, Kiki! Mew Mew, over here!
They're safe!
Rides in the amusement park are not safe until they're fully installed. You should never play on them.
I'm so sorry. We'll never do that again.
Thank you for saving the children. Have some yummy bananas.
Wow!
Everyone sit tight.
Okay, Mr. Whale Shark. Oh, yeah! It's so beautiful! Daddy, this is so much fun!
We'll be arriving at the underwater park soon. Please get ready to get off.
Underwater park! Underwater park!
I'm the fastest one in the sea. Move, move, move.
Oh, hey, Manta Ray!
Ha! I'll go first.
Ah, be careful.
Yahoo!
Oh, that hurts.
La 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 la.
Wow, good job, Rudolph! Yay! Nobody can beat me in the water. Good job, Rudolph! Oh! Emergency! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Whale shark, the largest fish in the ocean, works as the undersea tour bus. But he had a traffic accident and got seriously injured. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Mr. Whale Shark! Mr. Whale Shark!
I can't breathe.
Super Rescue Team!
Mr. Whale Shark can't breathe. Please help him.
Don't worry, leave it to us.
Start analyzing.
Here is the result. Mr. Whale Shark hurt his tail, so he can't swim. But he has to keep swimming to make water go through his gills to get oxygen.
Ah, that's why he can't breathe.
Mr. Whale Shark, hang in there just a little longer. Propellers start. Super recovery machine. It's all done.
I feel much better.
Great.
Thank you, Super Rescue Team.
No problem.
I'm all right now, so please enjoy the underwater park.
Okay! Wow, it's so beautiful here! Oh, look over there! It's a really big pearl! Whoa!
Huh? What's that sound? Over there!
Oh,
Oh no! Watch out!
Ah, it's collapsing! Help! Get out of here! Ah! Daddy, I'm scared!
Be careful, everyone! Call the headquarters! Kaka, we have a new problem. We need Rudolph's help right now.
Copy that. Rudolph, Kiki needs your help. Please move out right now.
Got it! Rudolph is up to any challenge from the sea! Marine bus is here!
Rudolph, people are stuck in the tunnel. We need to save them. Let me scan first. Rudolph,
Here's the safest spot for the operation.
Okay, no problem. Almost done.
What's happening outside?
Huh? Oh.
Someone's here to save us.
Great! I'm gonna get out first.
Come back! It's not safe there yet.
Hey, hurry up!
Don't move, it's dangerous.
Hey, I'm getting out of here.
Oh no! The rocks are starting to collapse again.
What's wrong? I'm so scared.
Oh no!
Rudolph, watch out! Oh no!
It's getting worse.
What should I do?
The water's getting murky. Kiki, Mew Mew, I can't see anything.
Let's think about what we can do.
Let me try.
Huh? Mr. Whale Shark!
Wow.
Wow, Mr. Whale Shark is amazing!
Great. Now I can see clearly. And it's my turn. Watch me.
Huh? Someone's there!
You're safe now. Come out, everyone.
It's the Super Rescue Team!
Yay! We're safe now! Super Rescue Team, you're awesome!
Thank you!
Mr. Whale Shark here was a great help.
I'm so happy that everyone's safe.
I'm so sorry, guys. I shouldn't have been so hurried.
Manta Ray, that was really dangerous.
You should be careful, okay?
Okay, I'll never do that again.
Super Rescue Team, bye-bye!
Bye!
Bye, everyone! Super Rescue Team, keeping you safe!
Ghost! It's a ghost! Run!
Hi, everyone. I'm reporter Chameleon, and I'm here to investigate a mysterious ghost case. Now come with me and take a look. Huh? There's no ghost here. Huh? Am I mistaken? It's a ghost! Ouch!
Kaka, what's the emergency?
Chameleon, a reptile, can change his color according to the temperature or his mood. He's a reporter who covers mysterious cases. Just now, he got hurt by accident while doing his job. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Mr. Chameleon! Mr. Chameleon! Mr. Chameleon!
Ghost! Stay away from me!
Mr. Chameleon, we're Super Rescue Team.
Super Rescue Team? It's so good to see you. Oh no! What's going on with me?
Don't worry, I'll give you a checkup. Start analyzing. Here's the result. Mr. Chameleon's pigment cells are damaged, so he can't change his skin color.
I see. Leave it to me. Super Recovery Machine. It's all done.
It doesn't hurt anymore. Yay! I can change my color again.
Whoa! Mr. Chameleon, you said ghost when you saw us.
Oh, the ghost! Yeah, I saw it. It was so scary.
It's impossible. There's no such thing as a ghost.
But I got a video of it. Look at this.
Something's wrong.
Mew Mew, let's go.
Super Rescue Team catching a ghost? Aha! This is gonna be an exclusive. Hey, wait!
The flowers are all ruined.
Yeah, what a pity.
Something's over there.
Huh?
Let's go have a look.
Huh?
It's just fallen fruit.
It's the ghost! Go away!
Mr. Chameleon!
Go away! Super Rescue Team!
It's over there!
Let's go.
Wait for me!
Stop right there!
The ghost showed up, and Super Rescue Team is chasing after it now! My camera! I got it!
It's a squirrel!
Later, guys!
Watch out! He's in danger! Super speed!
Kiki!
We're all right.
What's scary isn't the ghost, it's the squirrel.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Mr. Squirrel, why are you pretending to be a ghost and scaring people?
This valley was full of flowers, but more and more people came and ruined the flowers and plants. I was afraid of losing my home. So I disguised myself as a ghost to scare them away.
I see.
We're all responsible for protecting nature and the environment. Mr. Squirrel, we'll help you.
Hi, everyone. This is Reporter Chameleon's exclusive, the most beautiful flower valley in the world. Let me show you around.
Hi, I'm putting up a warning sign.
Hold on, please. Don't pick or touch the flowers. I'm sorry.
Rudolph, why are you spinning on the chair?
I'm training so I can become stronger.
He's really working hard.
99, 100. I'm so dizzy.
Emergency! Rudolph, keep on training!
Papa, what's the emergency?
Seahorse is a kind of marine fish. He always swims upright, slow but steady. He's the driver of the undersea tour bus, but he had a stomachache suddenly and had to stop the bus halfway. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Darling, are you all right? Oh, what should we do? Why is the Super Rescue Team not here yet?
Huh? Hey, look! The rescue bus!
Oh, you're finally here! Don't worry, tell us what's going on. He's having a stomach ache. Please help him out. Sure, let's get him checked right now.
Okay. Start analyzing. Here's the result. Mr. Seahorse is not sick. The reason of his stomachache is he's having babies.
Having babies? Really? Oh, that's wonderful! I can't believe we get to meet our babies so soon!
There's a pouch on the male seahorse's belly in which babies grow. That's why Mr. Seahorse is the one who gives birth to the babies.
Amazing! Let's sing and cheer Mr. Seahorse up! Just a bit more. Yes, you can do this!
La 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 la!
Our babies!
Oh, finally.
Wow! Look how cute they are! Let's have fun together! Huh? Whoa! Come here! Come on! Come on! Thank you so much!
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
My babies.
Hi, look what I brought. Do you want to play, little baby?
Glad that both Dad and babies are safe.
Thank you all. Now we'll send you to the underwater park.
Oh, great!
1, 2. Wait, where is the third one?
What? My baby! My baby! Where's my baby? Baby, where are you? Baby, where are you? Don't worry, we'll find the baby. I found him! He's over there! Look! What's that?
It's an ocean whirlpool!
Ocean whirlpool? What is that?
Ocean whirlpool is very dangerous. It's like a spinning black hole. Once you get stuck in it, it's hard to get out.
Hard to get out?
My baby!
Don't worry, we'll go save baby seahorse. Kiki! Oh, it's too powerful! The rescue bus can't even get close!
Time to go headquarters! Tugga, we have a new problem! Please send Rudolph's marine bus here!
Copy that. Rudolph, Kiki needs your help. Please get ready and move out right now.
Okay! Rudolph is up to any challenge from the sea! Marine bus is here!
Rudolph! Baby Seahorse got stuck in the dangerous whirlpool! We need to save him!
Got it! Sit tight, let's go!
Be careful!
Search! Rudolph, go down! Baby Seahorse is down there! It's over there! Yeah! We did it! Huh? Oh no! Watch out!
be fine.
We're here, Underwater Park!
Wow, it's beautiful!
Let's take pictures together. Baby, my baby's missing again.
What?
Huh? What's this? There you are.
Bye-bye!
Super Rescue Team, keeping you healthy!
Look, Muriel, there are so many yummy foods in the street market. Ice cream.
Popcorn!
Huh?
Wow!
Super Big Burger is done!
Oh no, it's an earthquake! Super Rescue Team, let's go! Watch out!
Wow, Super Rescue Team!
Oh, everyone, don't panic! Protect your head! It stopped! Take cover in the open area over there!
Follow me!
So scary! Things are falling down everywhere! Oh, that place looks safer!
Hurry, this way! Oh,
I better hide here!
watch out!
Oh no!
Super shield!
Help!
Electric poles, transformers, street lamps, and billboards can easily collapse. Glass can shatter and fall too. Hiding near them is very dangerous.
I got it!
So many people! Let's use the overpass! Hurry to the open area! Huh? Watch out! It's collapsing! Super protective wall! During an earthquake, overpasses and bridges can easily collapse. Stay away from them. We got it!
Protect your head and crouch down.
It stopped! Great! Can we go back now? We can't go back yet. There might still be aftershocks. It's safer to stay here.
The earthquake stopped! Oh, my lovely foods! I'll take you out of here! Ouch! This road is so bumpy! Such a big pit! Ouch! I'm losing control!
It's Mr. Dow!
Let's go save him.
Oh, that hurts!
Don't start!
Oh, watch out! Get out of the
My car got smashed!
Let's go! After an earthquake, pay more attention to road conditions and take cover in an open area. Don't drive too fast.
If your car is trapped, get out of it immediately to avoid more danger.
That's how it is. I understand.
There might be aftershock soon. We need to hurry.
My lovely foods.
We're almost there. Where's Mr. Doe? Leave the foods alone. Come back.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh no, it's an aftershock.
The ground is cracking! Help! I can't hold it anymore! Somebody help me!
Mr. Doe! Super speed! Let's go!
That's so scary!
Everyone, if you experience an earthquake on the street, please protect your head.
First, make sure you are safe, and then quickly move to an open area, and never go back for your things.
I understand.